Welcome back. The famous Velankani Church in Nagapattinam may be used to answering several prayers for devout, but finally it has its own prayer answered. A railway line straight to Velankani is now operational. In fact, just this evening, the Chief Minister inaugurated a new rail line section to Velankani. A special train was flagged off from Velankani to mark the occasion. The Southern Railways has in fact plans to initially operate 4 passenger trains from Velankani to Nagapattinam and from Velankani to Nagaur. The project has costed the government a whopping 48 crore rupees. Moving on to some sports news now from the cricket pitch in South Africa. Once the players woke up to clear skies in the Centurion, it was only a matter of time before South Africa took the final 2 wickets that stood between them and a 1-0 lead in the series versus India. The other question was whether they could inflict an innings defeat on India, something they had never done at home before. And in fact, they did. Whilst dismissingly the tail enders in less than 6 overs on the 5th day, while Sachin Tendulkar remained unbeaten on 1-1-1. Even the world's first cricketer with 50 tons in Test cricket could not work his magic to grant India victory. Well, Chennai pretty much covets the title of the cultural capital of not just the country but even the world. We at NDTV Hindu have been bringing you special series, sounds and the scenes of the Melody Month Margari. Today, it's about our very own NRIs who prefer service apartments over plush hotels. No check-in, no check-out hassles, home-cooked meals and everything is hop, skip and jump away. Our reporter Lokpriya tells you why NRIs find service apartments just home away from home.
The Vaidis rents in the busy Eldams Road. For the last 6 years, this house has doubled up as service apartment to Connecticut-based Chitra, her husband and many other non-resident Indians. Why so? Oh, simply because such apartments are clean, convenient and homely. A better bet than hotels. The proximity to the concert halls is the icing on the cake.
A lot of flexibilities and you have got a lot of mobilities, mainly food. Because if you stay in a hotel, you just have to eat what they give you. It's expensive and I don't know whether it's that hygienic. So, but here you have that flexibility of cooking your own food. When you develop some kind of a nice relationship with the person who runs a service apartment, then you really want to come back.
The rooms are similar to what they grew up in long ago, and with home-cooked meals on offer, it's truly a homecoming for the NRIs who return to Chennai in Margari like migratory birds seeking warmer nests in winter. And homeowners like Shobana have gone the extra mile, adding thoughtful features like tailor on-call service for her guests.
இந்த மார்கழி உற்சவம்ல வந்து அவ்வளோ பேர் எல்லாம் இந்த ஹோட்டல் அலைவா அது மாதிரி கிடைச்சா சரி இல்லைனாக்கா அங்கேருந்து கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும் இது மெயினாக எனக்கு வந்து இட் கோஸ் த்ரூ word of mouth தான்.
NRIs constitute over 40% of the Rasikas and the hospitality sector sees a surge every festive season. However, the new kid on the block is not a threat to traditional business, says hotel owners.
Service apartments, they're not going to grab it. And definitely, hotel cannot be compared with the service apartments. Definitely, I don't think service apartment people can take our cake.
There is no place like home. And in Margari, there is no place like Chennai. This is culture at its most hospitable. No wonder Mood Margari hits everyone year on year. In Chennai, Lokpriya, NDTV Hindu.
Home away from home for those NRIs there who come in here in great numbers during this particular month of Margari, which ends on the 14th of January. That's a wrap on this very special bulletin, but we leave you with some very special visuals of star speedsters at an awards ceremony of the National JK Tyre Championships this year. It was quite a sight to see, not just with the rhythmic African drum cafe that took everyone by surprise, but also that it didn't take much for the bigwigs from the motorsports fraternity to get their hands-on experience. Take a look at Karan Chandok and Arman Ibrahim keeping with the beats. And watch this as I say goodbye, good night. Chennai.